What is going on, miners, and welcome back to the Hobbyist Miner channel. Well, today we're going to go ahead and open a few packages that we received, and then we're going to talk about implementing HIVEOS wireless on all of our rigs. So let's go ahead and take a look first. This one comes to us from Blue Gnome Mining. Uh-oh, we got some competition, guys. Ah, look at that. Very cool. Dang, look at his logo. That looks really good. I like the Bitcoin on the belt there. The attention to detail is really, really good. Well, thank you, Blue Gnome Mining, for sending me over some stickers. Guys, I'll throw his YouTube channel up if you guys do want to go ahead and check him out. I always enjoy going ahead and sharing other community miners with my community. So we're going to go ahead and put these out of the way. We received 3 packages here from the team over at Crypto.co. They provide cryptocurrency-esque apparel. And I've had a really good partnership with them more recently, and they went ahead and set over this gear. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's look at this one first. Now, I cut the bottom just so that I could open these, or at least try to, one-handed, the best I can. Oh, check this out. Look at this. This is the Ravencoin HODL shirt. That is cool looking. Look at that. I like this one. This one's nice. I have another Ravencoin HODL shirt, but the logo isn't in color. This is really nice. I like that. Oh, what else do we have here? I'm excited. Oh, this one's, what is this? Hang on here. Please hold as I flip you around trying to open this with half of my fingers here. No way. Is this a... No way. Guys, I honestly did not know I was getting any of this, let alone, I think I saw, oh man, throwing stuff around. This is a mess. Okay, hang on. Hang on. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. This is a Ravencoin flag. Holy cow. You think my wife would care if I hung this out front of my house? This is so cool. I can't wait until I finish my basement, because it's going to get hung on one of these walls or like in the mining room. That would be kind of cool. Putting up a bunch of flags of all the different cryptocurrencies and stuff. Oh, this is awesome. Dude, I don't know how you beat this. This is, look how big this is. Wow. Okay. I'm just gonna put this out of the way for a second. It's got like junk everywhere. All right, one more. These guys are crazy. What is in this one? All right. Ooh, Bitcoin t-shirt. Heck yeah. Oh, we got a little beanie. Oh no. Yes, it's a Shiba beanie. That is so nice. I got another one. Oh, check that out. And what's this one here? I can't tell. Oh, is that a Ravencoin light sweatshirt? No way. Let me open this up here. Wow, look at that. That's so not cool. So it's like a dark blue, navy blue, and then this is the Ravencoin light logo. I am very surprised to see that on some mining apparel. Holy cow, this is awesome. Guys, if you guys do want to go ahead and get yourself some mining apparel, please go over and check them out at Crypto.co. And if you guys do want to go ahead and get 10% off, you can use my discount code. As I've always said on all of the partner companies that I work with, I do not get any commission from it. I ask them to put that back into you guys as the community. Use the community code at checkout at discount code of the Hobbyist Miner, and that'll go ahead and give you 10% off. Okay, let me clean this up real quick, and then we're gonna dive into this guy and using this USB dongle to go ahead and put our HIVEOS rigs on wireless. Okay guys, so today we're going to use this USB dongle from TP-Link to go ahead and on a little test bench here, we're going to go ahead and do a mock setup on a guide on how to go ahead and set this up with HIVEOS for wireless. Now, there are a few of my rigs that I am in the process of building into frames, and then I'm going to be going ahead installing one of these, and I'm putting them in like my garage over the winter because it gets so cold, or in a spare bedroom that gets really cold in the house. So I need to go ahead and go to wireless. So this was a no-brainer because it was, you ready for it? $9.99 US. So not expensive at all. The one thing, you can't use any USB dongle out there. It needs to have some Linux integration. So you do need to go ahead and shop for that. I'll put a link down below to this one. I have gone ahead and do some reading up on the HIVEOS forums, and this one is highly recommended. So let me go ahead and get this unboxed, and then we'll install this in our test rig. Okay, so there she is, guys. That's it. All of that, $9.99. The power of wireless in my hand. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and, for all intents and purposes, you can see my Ethernet cable is not plugged in. My test bench has been set up with HIVEOS. Doesn't have any GPUs on it, but it is booted and reported back to HIVEOS. So we're gonna take this and plug this in to a USB spot here. I'm gonna move my keyboard down one just so that we can see this. And I'm gonna put that right in there. There we go. So it is plugged right in, nothing too crazy. Here's our lovely power button that we salvaged out of an old HP tower. We're gonna go ahead and turn that on, and we'll give it a second to boot. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and swap over to photos only because I do need to block out some personal information as we go through this, so thank you for understanding. So once everything goes ahead and loads up for you, you're going to get to where it tells you root and then your rig name, and then you can type. So go ahead and type in Wi-Fi, W-I-F-I, and hit enter. After you do that, it's already going to install all the drivers that you would need for this device. It's natively ready to go. So it's actually going to scan your network, which is awesome. And it's going to look for a handful of different SSIDs that are available, which is wireless access points out there. It's going to give you a handful of different options. For me, it gave me 6 different options. I'm going to go ahead and select the one of mine, which was option number 5. Once you go ahead and hit 5 and then hit enter, or whatever numbers associated with your wireless SSID, then it's going to ask you for the password. Put in your password and hit enter. Now, right away, it's going to say save to, and it's going to give you a file path in green, and the state's going to say no carrier, no carrier, no carrier, and then when it connects, it's going to say carrier, carrier, carrier. If this fails, just reboot your rig and repeat the process. My guess is you typed in a password wrong. Once this is finished, it's going to say Wi-Fi setup done, connected to network. Okay guys, now that that's done, we can actually come over to the computer here. We're actually listening to a little, getting started here, chump change in a live stream that he's doing. And if we select the rig that we were just on, we can see right here, we booted 3 minutes ago, and the uptime, there's no flight sheet attached, and this rig is set up and good to go. So connecting to wireless is really super simple. You boot it up with the dongle in, you type in Wi-Fi, you select your Wi-Fi SSID, which is your wireless name, and you type in the password, and bam, that's it, you're good to go. Well guys, that's gonna wrap things up for today. If you guys are looking for one of these, I'll put a link down below. I actually bought about 3 of these, 2 that I'm gonna use, and then 1 just to have handy if I ever need to go ahead and use them for $9.99. Why not, right? Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care.